everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to enter the About phone. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find Backup and Restore option. Let's enter, and here we have to scroll down to find the Google Backup section. As you can see, on the second position we've got Backup account option, and we have to tap on it. But if for some reason in your case this option is inactive, it simply means that you have to tap on this very first one and tap on the switcher to turn on the Backup My Data option. So let's tap on Backup account and make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here, let me enter the password out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, and I will stick with this first option. And right now we can check the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. So just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Just tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but let's ignore it, because after tapping on accept, we will have this step in which we can check everything. So here we've got the info that we can use 15 GB of Google account storage to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. And under it, we've got the info that your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage your backup easily. So for some reason you do not want to back up the data right now, you can tap on Not Now, and after deciding that you want to back up it, let me show it to you. And just go back to this section, tap on Backup account, and tap on the one you've previously added. And as you can see, you will be transferred directly to this step, so you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account and going through the privacy policy and so on. So just turn on if you're ready, and basically that's all. So this is how to enable Google Backup. What's more, here you've got the option connected to it. You've got automatic restore, so you can decide if you want to restore the backed up data when you will reinstall an app. It's up to you right now, and defaultly it is turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.